It is always good to get into the habit of doing some meal prep in the course of the week so that it's just easier in terms of eating and eating healthy, especially so that you don't get into the habit of easily grabbing something that is unhealthy, which you didn't want to. So today I'm going to be doing some fruit salad, some oatmeal as well, which is going to be an easy breakfast and also an easy sheet pan meal. That's gonna be sweet potatoes, chicken, and broccoli. So let's get right into it. We're gonna start with the fruit salad and we will go from there. So let's get right into it. I've got some papaya right here, some mangoes, some pineapples, watermelon, oranges, and some lemon. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing now is just to peel all the fruits. Okay, so now that we've got all our fruits chopped, look at these. We are going to do some juice and put in there. It will also aid in digestion even more. Already the fruits are good, but it has a lot of fiber and it does help with that. But you know, making it with some more liquid fruits and not sugar is going to make it even more delicious. And what I usually do is I squeeze some oranges, some grapes, some lemon, and that's what I'm gonna put in this fruit salad bowl. So I'm gonna do the juice right now. So let's get right into it. Y'all see, this is the amount of juice we're able to get. A full cup. And here we go. This is the other one. Oh, this is so good. So good. Let's pack this up, put in the fridge, and do the oatmeal. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna do oatmeal, and like I said, and I'm gonna do a big batch and just save in the fridge so that I can be digging into it, or anyone in the house can be digging into it and having it for breakfast or as a snack. So I am just gonna go ahead and do it, and I am going to put the recipe in the description box so I can make it quick. Let's get right into it. Meal prep we're gonna do today is a dinner or lunch, and it's gonna be a sheet pan meal, very quick and easy. We have here some sweet potatoes, some chicken, and some broccoli. I've already prepped it some so that it can be quick and easy. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to season all this food. I'm gonna start off with the sweet potatoes, and I'm gonna put it in this dish. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box so you can have all the details. I'm gonna start off with olive oil. Garlic powder. This one first. Salt. I'm not gonna add salt because there's salt in this. So right now I'm gonna mix all this together and set aside. 4 sweet potatoes. And make sure that the spices get in really so that we can enjoy the flavor. Okay, this should be good. We're gonna set this aside and we're gonna get to the broccoli. Olive oil, curry powder, cayenne pepper. Not too spicy. A little bit of chicken bouillon. These are frozen spinach, but you can also use the one that is not frozen. Alright, we are good. I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken as well. I'm gonna pretty much use the similar spices that I used for the sweet potatoes and the broccoli, but here I'm not gonna add the curry powder. And I'm gonna add some thyme to this and also some lemon, garlic powder, garlic salt, thyme, a little bit of cayenne pepper if you want it a little bit spicy, and black pepper, truffle, about right. We're going to go ahead and line this food up on this trays. It has to be well leveled. That's why I'm going to use toothpaste so that we can have them all flat and well leveled on this trays. Broccoli. Our food is ready. It's time to serve. Here we go. So we have come to the end of our meal prep for the week. I am so excited. I've done some oatmeal, overnight oats, fruit salad, and also some meal bowls here. And this is going to be very easy to eat in the course of the week. I'm not going to worry about food anymore. So I am very excited. If you enjoyed this meal prep, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will be notified. Thank you all so very much, and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.